welcome to English speaking class. This is Anjay. Thanks for having me over, guys and girls. Today we are gonna view the pads of speech. आज हम pads of speech इज्ज़ाए कलाम की जानकारी करते हैं. Pads of speech are very important in speaking. They play a great role in speaking and academic studies, and they are used in speaking as well as in academic studies. They are 7 as namely noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, article, conjunction and interjection. These are called pads of speech, and their definition, we should have a definition of these words. Words that compose a language are called pads of speech. Words that compose a language are called pads of speech, and namely we have mentioned that first is noun. Let's view up here on the whiteboard. So you see here definition of pads of speech. First you see the definition here. Words that compose a language are called pads of speech. Words that compose a language are called pads of speech. Now see its example. Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. Tim रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. You see here the Tim and school are nouns. Tim and school both here are nouns, and we have a definition of a noun. Noun is the name of a person, a place and a thing. Noun is the name of a person, a place and a thing. And in this statement, in this example, we have Tim and school both are the nouns, and we do have verb here. Goes is a verb. Goes is a verb, and verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. We have a definition of verb. Verb is an action word. एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो कोई सरगर्मी एक्टिविटी को जाहिर करे उसे हम वर्ब कहते हैं. वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. वर्ब जो है ये एक एक्शन वर्ड होता है, और इस फ्रेज में गोश जो है ये वर्ब है. एंड वी सी टू इज अ प्रेपोजिशन, एंड डेली इज एन एडवर्ब. जाने का अमल जो है वो रोजाना होता है. सो टिम गोज टू स्कूल डेली. टिम गोज टू स्कूल डेली. टिम रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. टिम गोज टू स्कूल डेली. टिम गोज टू स्कूल डेली. टिम रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. Here we have set the examples of noun, which are Tim and goes, and noun is the name of a person, a thing and a place. So we have school. School is a place, so this is a noun, and Tim is the name of a person, so Tim also is a noun. So we have discussed exemplary the first part of speech, noun. So Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. Tim रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. Now let's see the next phrase देखते हैं. Next phrase में भी हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि यहाँ पे कौन से pads of speech इस phrase में, इस जुमले में, इस sentence में इस्तेमाल हुए हैं. Let's read out the next phrase. Here see the next phrase is she plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. Here you see the first subject file. यहाँ पे subject is a she. She is a pronoun. She is a pronoun, and pronoun is the second part of speech. She is a pronoun. In this statement, you see that she plays the piano nicely. She plays the piano nicely. So here she is a pronoun, and pronoun is the second part of speech, and we have the definition of a pronoun. Pronoun, the words used in place of a noun are called pronouns. The words used in place of a noun are called pronouns. So यहाँ पे जो noun की जगह पे हमने she, female noun की जगह पे she इस्तेमाल किया. So she is a pronoun here and plays is a verb. So we have two verb is an action word and pronoun she is a pronoun. A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. So she plays a piano nicely. A, we have a here. A is an article. A is an article and we have the definition of article. Articles are used before a single noun to show their relation with other nouns and pronouns. Articles a and an are used with the single countable nouns. A and an articles are used with single countable noun to show their relation with another noun or pronoun. So here we have a, she plays a piano. Piano is the name of an instrument. So a musical instrument. Piano is a musical instrument. So it's also a noun. So piano is a noun and nicely. Nicely is an adverb. And nicely is an adverb because nicely जो है ये क्वालिफाई करता है प्लेस को क्वालिफाई करता है. She plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. She plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. And here you see the nicely. Nicely is an adverb. And we have the definition of an adverb. Words that qualify a verb are called adverbs. Words that qualify verbs are called adverbs. Here see, she plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. So nicely is an adverb and it qualifies to place. So here we have seen pronoun she, plays verb, a article, piano noun and excuse me, nicely adverb. Nicely adverb. Excuse me. Let's see the next phrase. Next phrase is boys are eating burgers. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Boys are eating burgers. Boys are eating burgers. In this statement, you see that boys is a subject and is a plural noun. Boys is a collective noun and eating is a verb, principal verb, and burgers are also collective noun. Burgers are also collective noun. Edible things. Burgers are edible things. Boys are eating burgers. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. In this phrase, boys here are nouns and burgers are nouns and eating is a principal verb. Are is an helping verb. So boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Here you see are is an helping verb. Helping verbs have a definition. Words that help other verbs to construct a sentence, to construct a phrase are called helping verbs. So are is an helping verb. Words that help other verbs to construct a phrase, to construct a statement are called helping verbs. So are is here an helping verb. You have seen here that boys is noun, are is helping verb, eating is a principal verb and burgers are nouns. So this is a statement which elaborates the parts of speech. Let's see the next phrase. Here you see next phrase is Maria has called at Billy. 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 Maria बिली से मिलने जा चुकी है. Maria has called at Billy. Maria has called at Billy. Maria बिली से मिलने जा चुकी है. In this phrase you see, Maria is a noun, has is a helping verb, can is a verb, at is a preposition, and Billy is a noun. Billy is a name of a person, and at is a preposition. Prepositions are also parts of words, parts of speech. Prepositions are also parts of speech. Prepositions are those words which join and connect other phrases, other sentences, and other words. Prepositions are those words that connect other words, nouns, phrases, and sentences. So here see that at is a preposition and can is a verb. Verb is an action word and Maria is a noun. So this is a statement which elaborates, which shows the parts of speech used in this statement. Maria has called at Billy. Maria is a noun. Has is an helping verb and called is a principal verb. At is a preposition and Billy is a noun. So Maria has called at Billy. Maria Billy से मिलने जा चुकी है. Call at. Call at is a phrasal verb. It means to go to someone, to visit someone at home. To visit someone at home is the call at, and here the Maria has called at Billy. Maria Billy से मिलने जा चुकी है. Let's see the next phrase. Next phrase is he has been schooling since 1960. He has been schooling since 1960. He has been schooling since 1960. वो 1960 से स्कूल जाता रहा है. He has been schooling since 1960. वो 1960 से स्कूल जाता रहा है. In this phrase you see, he is a pronoun. He is a subject in this phrase and is a pronoun. Pronouns have definitions. Words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. So he is a pronoun, and has is an helping verb, and been is used as a past perfect tense, third form of perfect tense, and schooling is a noun, and since 1960. He has been schooling since 1960. वो 1960 से स्कूल जाता रहा है. Can you see guys? Can you see that we have discussed the parts of speech and their examples and phrases, sentences, and the parts of speech used in these phrases, which we have named noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and article and prepositions. Let's repeat these phrases once again. आइए इन phrases को एक बार फिर से दोहरा देते हैं. Please memorize this. First one is Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. Tim goes to school daily. Tim रोजाना स्कूल जाता है. Next is she plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. She plays a piano nicely. वो उम्दगी से पियानो बजाती है. And next is boys are eating burgers. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. Boys are eating burgers. Boys are eating burgers. लड़के बर्गर खा रहे हैं. And next is Maria has called at Billy. Maria has called at Billy. Maria Billy से मिलने जा चुकी है. Maria has called at Billy. Maria Billy से मिलने जा चुकी है. And last one is he has been schooling since 1960. He has been schooling since 1960. He has been schooling since 1960. वो 1960 से स्कूल जाता रहा है. Hey you guys, you have seen the parts of speech and their use in phrases. So let's once again repeat the definition of parts of speech. Words that compose a language are called parts of speech. Words that compose a language are called parts of speech. वो अल्फाज जो एक ज़ुबान को मरतब करते हैं, अज्ज़ाए कलाम कहलाते हैं. Today we have discussed noun, pronoun, verb, article and adverb here, and as well as preposition at. So guys, here you have seen the parts of speeches and they are used in phrases. Please memorize them. I will see the next remaining parts of speech in next lesson. I'll see you again. Goodbye.